not received. It is achieved, a quotation fit for this occasion, especially for our awardees who will be receiving their certificates.
This time of the month is the most awaited time on the part of the students who gave their very best to achieve something they aspired and dreamed of.
To formally begin the program, please all rise and feel the presence of the Lord with our prayer.
And please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and the David Hymn.
Sir Fitzgerald and Delval, kasi kung mga maestra, mga kag-anak, mga builas yan na, sigurado, builas. Kaya may mga presnak ko diyan, ano? Ang mga anak na pinakabuilas, kaya mga pa-Jollibee siguro. Ano? Ay gutang ko kung yan pa Jollibee. Kapitani ka mo, let's bang. Okay. Okay, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, mga payaan na hapon sa kanan. So, our event today marks the milestone, initial step, mga bata, na may paglaon ni yung nanay at the end of the clouds. The sun will rise to give a better future for your family. Ikaw kung paglao, magrimo ka mo. Ayaw kung paglao, makakasawa kayo ka, no? Paniguro, na magkabulig ka pamilya, na magkabalay ka mo yung palasyo, magkakutsi ka mo, bis mapira. Okay? Amo ng children. So, ahina natin mga award.
My morning greetings to each and everyone. These are the Grade 1 Academic Awardees. So when Miss called, please come upstage, Grade 1 pupils. Are Brent, Keisler, and Alcober. Brent. And also, may I request the parent and Mercado. First unit, C. Mercado. Era Luis S. Abinasa. Sandra Jane Singer. Jane S. Baz. She's absent. Maureen G. Boko. Clea Selena A. Limon. J.D. and Empress Dane R. Villanueva. And Althea C. Wilson. May I request our school principal to give the certificate.
These are the pupils who got honor. For the grade 2 Scorpios, Jerry's Angel S. Please come on stage together with the parents. Lusty A. Mignano. Empress for the left. I love you. Here.
Grade 2 under the advisory of Mrs. Genevieve P. Cecil.
Good morning, everyone. These are the Grade 2 Academic Awards. With honors, Lucas M. Paraya. With honors, Merl P. Go. With honors, Stephen Kat M. Upino. With honors, Daniel